Hi everyone, welcome to Master Fraction Review. We have a word problem here. It says, Johnny subtracted 1 over 2 from 6 3 over 4. What fraction did he get? For this question, we need to be careful. Yes, we are subtracting, but don't make a mistake of taking 1 over 2, take away 6 3 over 4. When you do this, you are going to get wrong. What they say, he subtracted 1.5 from 6 3 over 4. So the right way to do is to take 6 3 over 4, take away 1.5. So we are going to take 6 3 over 4, take away 1.5. From this case, we are going to take the whole number, take away whole number, and fraction, take away fraction. 6 take away 1, we remain with 5, plus fraction, take away fraction, that is 3 over 4, take away 1 over 2. This is equal to, the LCM is 4. 4 divided by 4, we get 1, multiply by 3, we got 3, take away 4, divide by 2, we got 2, 2 times 1, we get 2. We get our answer for fraction part equal to 3 take away 2, we get 1 over 4. So our answer is equal to 5.25, 1 over 4. This is our answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on fraction, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.